Hi guys, it's Joey and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be bringing you a plan with me in my Erin Condren life planner. This is the vertical layout. I'm also going to be planning with a kit from Sweet Kawaii Design for the week of October 4th through October 10th. I'm going to be using this adorable kit that is the October vertical. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then stick around. Alright guys, so let's get started. Right now I'm just going through each one of the pages that comes in the kit. As you can see, the kit is full of all kinds of stickers that you can use for essentially the entire month. You could plan out each week with just this kit. Right now I'm going to lay down the washi, and I'm going to I just go all the way across on both sides. I don't cut my washi on the bottom with these kits. I just like it the way it is. I'm adding the numbers for my date headers, and then I'm also going to put down my checklists. These checklists are so cute. Now, the bottom checklist of this kit did have just 3, which is what I wanted, and so I'm just going to use those up first, but then later on this month I'll come back in and just kind of cut it down to 3 for each one of those. Next, I'm going to go through and I'm going to put down the headers that I have. I just kind of skipped through that. I feel like putting down headers is so long and boring, and I certainly don't want you to have to sit through that and be bored. Right now, I'm going to put up a full box sticker. I changed my mind on this sticker in just a minute. I don't keep it there, so you'll see me change that in a second. I also laid down this washi that is from Simply Gilded. I got it last year during the month of October, but I ended up never using it, so I did open it up this year, and I'm laying it down at the top, and then I have a thinner, it's the same version of it, it's just thinner, and I'll be laying that down throughout the spread. Next, you see that I am laying down the full boxes throughout each one of the days. I kind of alternate between a picture and a full box that is just with the ability to write in it. But on the weekend, I do lay down 2 boxes that are basically they're side-by-side boxes, and I love them. I think they're so cute. And then at the top, I decide here now to change out the sticker, and this is where I put down Hello October this week, and then my weekly tracker. I do track my steps on the top sticker, and then I'll check my workout, and then I'll also track my devotions. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay down half boxes for each of the days. Basically, I will write down all of my kids' activities that we have going on throughout the week. I was kind of hopping around in this place because I basically wanted to make sure that none of the colors were right next to each other. I was trying to really keep the spread really colorful and try not to put all the same colors next to each other. I wasn't color blocking this week, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the headers down underneath these full boxes, and I'm going to come back later, put down more half boxes. I did change it out. I was going to do purple, and then I changed my mind and put down like this greenish yellow and then a gray box. I'm going to finish putting down these half boxes, and then I'm going to come back and put in the Hello Weekend banner, which I think is so cute. Then I'm going to come in and put in these quarter boxes throughout the week as well. I basically put down one for every single day as well as the half boxes. Now I do have, I put down the half boxes and the quarter boxes pretty liberally. I put down a lot. So I basically I have another kit that is Sweet Kawaii Designs where if I run out of half and quarter boxes, I can always go to that kit and borrow from there because I did get a full page of half and quarter boxes. Here you just see that I'm putting down some decos. Basically, I'm going to be putting in that I have planner prep time on Saturdays. That's basically when I do my filming of a plan with me. I do have down that we will be doing a family time on Sunday because it is my daughter's 23rd birthday. It's my oldest. And then I'm putting down just little TVs of things that I know we'll be watching throughout the month of October, just because it is October. We'll be watching lots of Halloween movies. I did lay down some script stickers for church and for Trash Eve. I'm trimming this grocery shop sticker because it's way too long, and I just went ahead and trimmed it in half, or after groceries so that I could lay it down, one on top of the other. Excuse me, losing my voice. I did lay down a free Friday script from Sweet Kawaii Designs as well, because I do want to try to remember to order this Friday. I love her freebies that she gives away on Fridays, so I try to always save orders for them. Sometimes I order earlier for Tuesday and Friday. It just depends on how the week is going. Okay, now I'm going through and I'm just filling in all of our plans for the week. It's a lot of practices, a lot of just different things like that. And then I'm, of course, just filling in my trackers. Alright, you can kind of see I'm off to the side talking to someone. It is my daughter. We just tend to FaceTime throughout the week, and I was just FaceTiming with her while I was doing my planning. Alright, here you can see I am using the washi that I was talking about earlier. I think it turned out really cute going throughout the spread. This is basically it for my plan with me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel out a whole lot. And if you haven't already subscribed, but you like my content, then I invite you to hit subscribe below. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a great week. I will see you soon. Bye.